So today's video is how to install the ink cartridge in Epson XP 4100 printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and once the display screen is on, we go on the display screen. On the display screen, once we reach there, now we have to look for the option that is maintenance. So once we see that, click OK. And in maintenance we have to go and find the option ink cartridge replacement, which is the last option, and press OK. Now it will say replace the ink cartridges and press, so just press next. OK. Now we have to open the compartment, so go back to the printer. Now we go and open the printer, so you will see it will stand itself, and now we press OK again on the screen to start the replacement. Now it will move the cartridges in the position, and now we can take them out. So it's a simple process. Just there is a hook on the here, so lock, so just press it and just take it up, so it will take it out. Just do it same thing for all 4 cartridges. Now to install the new cartridges, first we start with the black. So just place it straightway downwards and press it. You will hear a lock sound, that means it's locked. And now we are going for the yellow one, that is next. Place it. Then next is this pink one, M, and the last one is this number C. So once we do it, now we close this chamber and we go back on the main screen. So once we close the chamber, we go back to the main screen. Now we have, you can see on the screen it says all the 4 cartridges are installed and they are okay. So press completed. Now it's going to process, and this process might take up to 4 minutes, so just wait for that, and then we are ready for printing.